Alrighty, welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday now. What was supposed to be an occasion to remember turned into a night of chaos for some, as scores of patrons who came to the National Stadium ended in a pile-up at the gates during the CONCACAF Champions Cup return leg clash between Cavalier FC and Inter Miami on Thursday night. More in this report.
Thousands of fans gathered at the National Stadium for one thing: to see Argentine football legend Lionel Messi in action. Many Jamaicans sat and stood in amazement as they watched the diminutive magician grace a Jamaican and by extension Caribbean field for the very first time. But while fans on the inside were happy, there were others who were outside attempting to get in to view the spectacle.
Take money and all, you see? I'm not so done. I must apologize, but we can't let him about it.
Technical Director of Cavalier FC, Rudolph Speed, speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Explosion on Friday morning, explained that what transpired was not the fault of the club. He said the complaints about crowd control were raised following Thursday night's encounter.
So we employ like over 100 and nearly 200 police.
Right.
We had more 300 security guards.
Yeah.
Over 300 security guards we employ.
Yeah.
We employ professional people to scan the tickets, all of those things.
Right.
So all of those things were placed. And then probably another 1,000 police came in because they all come to watch a game. Everybody from ADPEM, from Fire Brigade.
Right.
You name all of those
agencies were represented.
They were all represented in their full numbers.
Right.
So anything go wrong and they coordinate together, it can't be the club.
Speed put the scenario down to one thing:
there was a whole heap of indiscipline by the Jamaicans them. So when you start blame the Jamaicans them first. However,
Speed did give credit to a specific group of personnel for their job during the game.
We did do some things right, you know. We protect the fin field.
Right.
There was no pitch invasion. There was
the
no
security personnel were right around, yes.
Right. So we did do something right.
Meanwhile, efforts to contact General Manager of Independence Park Limited, Major Desmond Brown, for a comment on what transpired proved unsuccessful. The game itself saw Messi play the last 37 minutes and putting the icing on the cake by scoring the second goal in time added as Inter Miami prevailed 2-0 in the second leg to advance to the quarterfinals 4-0 on aggregate. Speed believed the Cavalier gave a good account of themselves despite the result.
In some respect, yes. Miami didn't really break us down. I mean, like get behind us and was able to get one-on-one shots at the goalkeeper. But as I said before, in terms of defending, probably it was just the last kick of the match we considered the second goal when we tried to break away to make sure that we equalized. So I thought we did. I just thought that, as usual, again, we made some mistake, the penalty, and we paid the price.
Veteran striker Luis Suarez had gotten the game's opening goal from the penalty spot in the 37th minute. Inter Miami will meet Los Angeles FC in the quarterfinals. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.